Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. So guys, this episode starts off with Unjengaye Usempetemi. As he's in the bed, guys, the bed is filled of clothes. Gap Aisha Upetemi is packing stuff. Koshuguti Segunjalo, guys, Sebeya Dubai. Remember Unjengaye got a sweet gift for Upeteni on Christmas Day, which is tickets to go to Dubai, you guys. Unjengaye then says yazi angikholwa ukuthi umuntu was wasting isikhathi sakhe ebhekene nezinto nje like ezingekho, akhohlwe ubuhle bento ephambi kwakhe. So I guess he's talking about Upeteni. They are really, guys, in a good place. So Upeteni goes on to say ukuthi ngibuye ngikhohlwe ukuthi wena phela unolwimi olushwelelayo. And then Unjengaye is like, ngikhuluma iqiniso kodwa yazi ngifisa nje ukuthi uphinde nje ungibone ngaleyo ndlela leyo ongibheka ngayo ekuqaleni. I wish I could be the same man that drove you crazy years back. Yayibona nje leya nsizwa leyana, like I want to be that man again. Siqalele kabusha. Upeteni is like, okay. Shuthi-ke unyaka omusha uzosifikela noNjengaye omusha. She goes on to say ukuthi ngiyabuzwa-ke my love, kodwa-ke angikho sure ukuthi ngenze njani ngale ndaba kagcina. Ugcina uyadelela ugcina. I'm like, yazi kodwa Upeteni uyamsukela ugcina. Ugcina, one thing she always did, guys, she respects Upeteni. So indelelo that she's talking about isuka. Anyway, Unjengaye is like, khohlwa nje, like forget about what happened in the past. Khohlwa indaba zokulwa nama-grudges yonke leyo nto nje. Focus on uxolo, ungakhoneli mina ngedwa kuphela, kodwa focus on uxolela abantu, uxolela ugcina, uxolele nabanye abantu nje. Upeteni is like, ungangitsheli-ke, ungangitsheli ukuthi ukhuluma ngoNomfundo uma ukhuluma kanjalo. Then Unjengaye is like, uNomfundo umaka mfana, umaka Themba. Ngiyacela nje ukuthi like you take it easy on her. You can see ukuthi whatever Unjengaye is saying is sinking in, but listen, we don't know if it's going to land. Next scene we see uNtombela ungena kwaMbambo. He's coming in the kitchen avuma uhleli phansi iziphuzela itiya, and uNtombela arrives. So when uNtombela arrives, he's sitting down. Uvuma's like, wevelephi awusenzela itiye lapho nomkhulu kaManqoba. Uvuma then goes on to say ukuthi manje-ke mahlobo nayi indaba lana, njengoba umshado didn't happen, ngibona ukuthi we should go back to the way things were. Untombela's like, uphi, like usho ukuthini? You can see ukuthi Untombela, he's not catching on whatever Uvuma's trying to say. Uvuma then says, ingathi umahlobo angangizwa. Ngithi mina ngoba umshado awusenzekanga, iy'nkomo zakwaMbambo fanele ukuthi zibuyele emuva kwaMbambo. uNtombela's like, wena isintu yasazi nje, you can't take back the cows. Nawe nje like iy'nkomo zakho angeke isintu sisho njalo, you can't get back iy'nkomo, angeke uyithola, angeke zibuyele emuva. Uvuma's like, mahlobo, akwazi ukusho leyo nto. Ngudadewenu ozange athembeke kumina. Ukuba mina nje iqiniso ngangilazi kwaseqaleni, zazingeke ziphume inkomo zasesibayeni zakwaMbambo osakwambambo. uNtombela, guys, is adamant akafuni-ke. He's like, kahle-ke washada wena, you've done amalungiselo womshado before. Like he's saying ukuthi you've been married before, you know ukuthi iy'nkomo ngokwesintu azibuyele emuva. Uvuma then says, mahlobo ungashada wena phezu kwesisekelo samanga nenkohliso. uNtombela then says, ye Mbambo, wakwazi wena ukuphila nenyoka efana noDeliwe? Yonke nje leminyaka uhlala noDeliwe, kodwa nje uhluleka ukuqalela uSamke ngesenzo esisodwa nje. Hayibo asenzile just because she gave advice, bad advice ngemistake kuMbali. Uvuma then says, mahlobo mana manje athi ngikuqoqe manje ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi you are talking nonsense. Ufanisa izinto ezingafani la. Ufanisa u-6 no-9. UDeliwe was never involved in the death of someone I love. Musa nje uba utsotsi mahlobo umdala awenza into elungile man. UNtombela then says ukuthi hayibo lalela kahle ke Mbambo awukwazi ukubuyela emuva. Ungakhohlwa ngoSamke ukhohle ney'nkomo ke. Uvuma ke is like angeke. UNtombela is like hayibo inkomo zami leziyana. Then uVuma's like, hey, lalela la. Lezi nkomo ezaphuma la kwaMbambo zaphuma zisithi ziyolanda umakoti. Uphi umakoti? Uphi nje? UNtombela's like, nangu etiyeni lakho-ke, nangu umakoti wakho etiyeni lakho-ke. Hlala netiye lakho, mina ngiyahamba, inkomo zami leziyana ezami. Then he gets up, he walks out. Ayibo uVuma's like, wemahlobo. UNtombela's like, hayi suka wena. UVuma's like, angakaqedi ukukhuluma nawe, angiqedile ukukhuluma nawe wena. UNtombela's like, mina ngiqedile ke. UVuma's like, wemahlobo. UNtombela's like, hey wena ngiyeke. That time uphume ngomnyango guys. I'm just like, UNtombela's been selfish, but listen, I can't blame him because remember, uSamke, she's the one who kind of bribed UNtombela to agree to this marriage because of the benefit of him getting cows. So obviously he did it for selfish reasons. So he's not just going to jigisi inkomo nje kanjani okalula nje kanjani. Hi, next scene we see uPhetheni. She's in the lounge, guys. She's sitting, and then uVusi and uTrina, they are coming downstairs. And ngathi bayaphuma or something like that. So uVusi says, sawubona ma. Then bamdlula. Angazi uTrina ke she doesn't greet. Wisho ukuthi she doesn't want. She saw ukuthi uPhetheni is not into her, so wisho ukuthi she just wants to stay out of uPhetheni's way. Then uPhetheni is like, ngisaqala ukukhuluma nani. And then they look at each other like to say like, what is this about? Anyway, then bahlale phansi. Then uNokhuzana ke uPhetheni goes on to say ukuthi even though ngingavumelani nesinqumo that you've made in the past, you are welcome ubuyele ekhaya noma kunini. She's saying this to uVusi. UVusi is like, ngiyabonga ma, kodwa like ngiyathemba ukuthi uma uyazi ukuthi lamagama owakhulumayo uzomela ukuthi a-applye nakunkosikazi wami. UTrina's like, kulungile Vusi, mina ngisakhulekile where we are staying right now. Asikho nje isidingo ukuthi sifostele izinto. uPhetheni is like, nikuphi nisehotela? And then uLokhuzana uVusi goes on to say ukuthi ukwenza phela bekadinga abantu abazomgadela indawo yakhe, and nathi ke besidinga indawo yokuhlala, so iyasebenzela leyo situation. Then uPhetheni goes on to say ukuthi if nijabulile angeke ngize nginiphoqeke. Kodwa ngiyacela bengisacela bandla, I would like to ask the both of you ukuthi nicabange ngokubuyela la ekhaya. I'm just like, kusho ukuthi lengiqoqa njengaye at word, because listen here, Phetheni is asking both uTrina and uVusi to come back, to consider coming back and living ekhaya. I'm just like, uPhetheni ushintshe nje kanjalo. But that just makes me think, guys, that maybe sometimes when you see women in marriages doing certain things, it's out of the fact that they abanayo isapoti from coming from their husbands. Because ever since uNjengaya has been supportive, he's been there like affirming uPhetheni, she's suddenly become a nice person. So maybe she feels like, because my man is on my side, I don't need to put up a front, or I don't need to fight about unnecessary things. Angazi, guys. uVusi is surprised and is like, wasuba nenhliziyo enhle kangaka, wenze njani? uPhetheni is like, kahle kahle mfanam, I would like our family to go back to the way it used to be. Angeke ke sikwazi ukwenza lokho from a distance. For what it's worth, ngiyafisa ukuthi sidlulise konke that happened in the past, siqale lo nyaka ngomoya woxolo. Yeah, that's my desire. uTrina's like, she smiles, she's like, socabanga ngayo mom. And then uPhetheni just says, okay. Next scene, We see uKhuzwayo, he is at KwaMbalenhle, uhleli phansi on a table, uSamke umile. One hand that time is on her hip. I'm just like, this conversation kushodile. So Samke is like, kujabulile. Yonke into that you wished to happen yenzekile. Angisho, you are happy now. Ufuna ukungibona nje nginje. Ufuna ukungibona ngihlupheka. Kumnandi Because I was like, manje Samke, ucabanga ukuthi like mina I had something to do with all of this. I'm just like, at this point uKhuzwayo is still usaphika. But anyway, uSamke is like, washo wena ngomlomo wakho ukuthi uzokwenza sure ukuthi wonke umuntu uyazi ngale ndaba kaMbali. uKhuzwayo is like, Samke, angisiyena usathane mina. I wouldn't take away injabulo yakho kalula nje kanjalo. uSamke is like, yazi into engizibuza yona. Why ungayanga straight kuvuma umtshele yonke into then ukuthi uye kusisi usisi wakhe lo ohlanyayo lo kaMbali bekuzoba ngcono kanjalo. uKhuzwayo is like, yazini angihlangene in all of this futhi angazi ukuthi why ngingakhulumanga ngoba nabu nje ngiplenyela into engayazi. uSamke is like, lalela ke uvuma ngisamfuna ngizozilungisa nje zonke lezi zinto engizidalileyo, all of these problems ngizolungisa yonke into phakathi kwami naye. Yabona lokho ngifuna ukuthi kungene la. When she's saying kungene la, she's pointing ahead. Kungene la ekhanda ukuthi I'm going to make things right ngovuma, and ayikho futhi into zoyenza ngalokho. As she's busy saying that, guys, uNtombela walks in. Hey, uyabona ke uSamke, it looks like she doesn't want uNtombela to know about this conversation. Then you can see ukuthi uthukile. She's like, awu bhuti, nasi isitulo bengicela ukuthi uhlale ngalana khona into engifuna ukuthi uyizwe engizoyisho njengamanje. uNtombela like, yazi angikholwa le yandoda. Ngubani owenza into enjalo? He has lost his roots. Indoda yomZulu ngokweqiniso soze izibethe isifuba ngokuthi inkomo zelobona ukuthi azibuye. So they just keeping quiet ukuthi uNtombela, what is he talking about? uKhuzwayo is like, nami ngimkhuzile, because I guess uKhuzwayo catches on ukuthi he's speaking about uvuma. uKhuzwayo is like, nami ngimkhuzile. uSamke then says ukuthi mina ngibona ukuthi returning the cows right now is the best thing to do. Ayikho futhi into esizoyiluza ngokwenza njalo. Ngifuna ukuthi uvuma abone ukuthi angimthandeli imali yakhe noba inkomo zakhe. Ngifuna ukuthi abone futhi ukuthi ngiyazisola ngalento ngiyenzile. Then get the next scene, we see uKhuzwayo, he is at Uvuma's place. They're sitting on the table busy having a conversation. Uvuma's like, ngeke Makeza, ngeke nje le yinkomo engizisebenzela kanzima kangaka bese kuqhamuka isela nje elizongitshontshela ngamaplane. Angeke. Then uKhuzwayo is like, unesibindi kodwa sibali. As he's saying that, then there's a knock on the door. uKhuzwayo, he gets up to see ukuthi ubani, and then he's like, ngena. Uvuma's like, ubani loyo manje? Angithi uKhuzwayo is standing on his feet, so he sees who comes through the door. Uvuma doesn't, because he's sitting down. uKhuzwayo then says, sisakhuluma ngaye. He sits down, he's like, nguSamke. uSamke comes in, she's like, sanibonani. Then uKhuzwayo asabeleke, and then he says, yebo ntombi. uSamke looks at Uvuma, she's like, bengisacela ukuthi sikhulume ngasese. So as she's saying that, uKhuzwayo, he gets up like to say ukuthi aphume mina, because anyway the conversation is between the two of them. So as uKhuzwayo is getting up, Uvuma's like, hlala phansi. Uvuma goes on to say ukuthi hayi kulungile, khuluma ekhona uKhuzwayo. So uSamke then she walks around, she walks towards the table and she sits down. And she says, ngizwa ukuthi ufuna amalobola back. Uvuma's like, impela. He then looks at uSamke and is like, mawucabanga ngizophumelela. ngoba phela all of this beyiplaniwe. Wafika la ekhaya wena wazi kahle ukuthi ngizokuthanda ngikushade bese ungintshontshela inkomo zami and then disappear, but ke iplan yakhe ayisebenzanga. uSamkela kuvuma cela ukuthi ungikhole uma ngithi she's trying to talk uvuma Samke ayikho nje into engizoyikholwa Samke, into ephuma nje emlonyeni wakho ayikho into engizoyikholwa. Ngifuna ukuthi manje uhambele phezulu uyiqhenye uthi wena wafica indoda ebuthaka whose wife had just left him, wafika wena wathatha ithuba. Angazi mina Samke ukuthi mina usangifunani manje, kodwa nje ngiyacela ke if you really want to make things better for me ungishiye ngedwa. uSamke saying she gets the message, she doesn't even say anything guys, or she just gets up, she walks out. uKhuzwayo is just sitting there uziphuzela itiye, acting as if he doesn't, like he's not happy about this whole thing. Ayike next scene we see uThuli benoneli. Ayi phela uThulisile guys, yena she says ukuthi umnganakhe ufele uLokhuza indoda yakhe. So she's basically telling uNeli ukuthi hayibo uyamkhumbula umnganami uMelody, bathi igama lakhe uMelody ke or Melody ngesilungu ke. So she's like hayibo phela umnganami ufuna ukuthi ngize ngibe yi-back up because indoda yakhe beyinama baby mama nama side chick. uNeliza hayi kodwa ningabangi drama laphayana phela umngcwabo indawo yokuthula noxolo. uThulisile then says uyabazo baby mama wena ba-dramatic, yingakho-ke umnganami engicelile ukuthi ngizomcheckela nje i-coast, ngimcheckelwa makungena nje ubaby mama or uside chick engakafiki yena ngisheshe ngimtshele nje sibe ready nje. Ayibo uNeliza hayibo wathuka ngabe umnganakho, what if yena umnganakhe she's actually the side chick, because if yena umnganakho she was the main chick why atatazela kangaka. uThuli is like awubazi abafana yazi, awubazi kahle wena, abafana bayakhohlisana, shuthi naye nje umnganami bamkhohlisile waphaphama sephakathi. uNeli then says hayi ngeke. uThuli is like enye ke into akhala ngayo umnganami uthi phela she used to get ama-messages bemsabisa, athole nama-calls bemthuka ukuthi bemthuka ngezinto eziningi. So umnganami uthi uyasola ukuthi yayibo le ndoda yakhe eshonile ingathi bekanonkosikazi. uNeli then says ngeke bekahlaleleni. Yabona, if it was me, the minute I found out ukuthi unonkosikazi or the moment I was suspicious bengizoshiya phansi, I would have left him. uThuli is like majaji waze wamjaja umnganami, kodwa-ke ingakho-ke engicelile ukuthi mina ngizomgadela ngenze sure ukuthi u-right. Ngithi yazi lesi story sikaThuli guys udala esixoxa, like it's like she wants to find a way ukuthi ahambe. Now I'm questioning myself ukuthi is this story real or what, but whatever it is uThuli needs to make sure ukuthi bayamdabukela and bamenzela ispace or benze iplan ukuthi uThuli needs to go. Ayike next thing we see uNjengayo benophetheni, they are at uNomfundo's place and it looks like meeting. I'm just like, what is this about? So uNjengayo says ukuthi kukhona nje izinto ezimbalwa engeke sizishiye zingakhulunywanga. uPhetheni that time she's holding his head. I'm just like, these two, bo, uNomfundo helped their marriage, because if it was not for uNomfundo saying ukuthi ushiya phansi, I don't think uNjengayo would be this attached to uPhetheni. So uNomfundo's like ngilalele. uPhetheni then says ukuthi njengoba sizohamba siya eDubai kwi-holiday lethu, ngiyacabanga ukuthi uzojabula ukwazi ukuthi umkhize uzomletha uThemba. Ukuthi she goes on to say ukuthi nikwazi-ke nibe ndawonye wena noThemba for New Year's. uNomfundo's like, yini sokushintsheni, bengithi ukuthi wena phela you enjoyed keeping uThemba away from me. uPhetheni is like, angithandi ukuthi silwisane ngengane Nomfundo. When I think that someone once did that to me, like Pateka Gabi, I can see how much I've hurt you. Aibo, guys, Upeten has really had a change of mind, but I'm just like, I got that Nizalanga. You telling me just one conversation changed Upeteni's heart? Or is it really that the love and care her husband is showing to her is really softening her up? Ayike unomfundo zakhe ngiyabonga ukuzwa lokho. And then ulokhuzana uPhethini goes on to say ukuthi if we could really stop trying to get revenge on each other, sibhekane nokuthi siphilisane, like that really is my aim. Unjengayo goes on to say ukuthi kuyosiza-ke to not focus on the past because that will keep us from moving forward. Then uPhetheni says ukuthi ngiyacela-ke ukusukela namhlanje sizame ukuthi sihloniphane senzele ingane. I will try my best ukuthi ngibambisane nawe in raising uThemba, ngithembe-ke ukuthi nawe uzokwenza okufanele. Unomfundo is like, that's all na I've ever wanted impilo yami yonke-ke. Kodwa-ke siyobona sekwenzeka. I'm just like, I am surprised by this Phetheni, guys. I don't know if it's too good to be true, but anyway. I get last scene, or not last scene, second to last scene, we see there's lunch kwanzamini, guys. Ekuyahleka kumnandi, uPhetheni phela akekho. It's uVusi, uGcina, uKwenzo, uSibongile, and uWenzeni. Kune lunch, guys, kuyahlekwa. It's nice there. uVusi zayazi ngempela. I don't know when was the last time we had so much fun as a family. Uma bekaqinisile ukuthi fanele sijwayele ukuhlangana sonke as umndeni. Ukwenza like, mina all that I know ukuthi when the cat's away, then uWenzeni jumps into the conversation. She's like, nah. When the cat comes back, it's game over for all of us. And then everyone laughs. uSibongile is like, enzeni amakati-ke manje. Then kuyahlekwa laphayana. And uVusi is like, khona-ke maybe baqinisile about the cat analogy. But it goes on to say ukuthi what I want to know, Sithandwa Sami, ubheke uGcina manje. He says ukuthi what I want to know, Sithandwa Sami, ukuthi unesiqiniseko ukuthi you want us ukuthi we must move back la ekhaya. uGcina like, yeah, Uma was nice enough to us all. She was nice to us all of this time. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi kungaba right uba sekhaya. Even though thina siya-afforda, we can buy our own home, but it's still nice being home for now. Then she says, okunye-ke Sibongile bengisacela ukuthi ngixolise for how I treated you, for me and you not getting along ngenxa kaNomalanga. Guys, I am just surprised before we go further. Why uGcina efuna ukubuyela into the Dlamini household? uGcina akafundanga next, guys. Why can't ukuthi bazimele bazitholele indlu yabo and live in peace? Because I feel like if you want to maintain a good relationship nomamazala wakho, especially umazi ukuthi unezinto zakhe, if you can, guys, go and stay outside. Even if nihlala emkhukhwini wenu, it will really save the relationship than staying in the same house as a person onezinto zakhe. So uSibongile then responds to uGcina's apology. She's like, ayikhuleka sonke singabantu sisigcina siyawenza amaphutha. Manje-ke ngijabulela ukuthi we are going to have a new start. uGcina kodwa-ke bengicela ukuthi ungangibizi ngosisigcina, it's Gcina nje. And then uSibongile ndo, she's like, ngiyaxolisa, ngeke ngiphinde-ke. Then uWenzeni is like, all right, two sisters, and then they toast. Like, you can see they are having such a fun time without their parents. Last scene, guys, uSamke, there's two customers. Wambalenhle, she just served them, she was serving them. Hi, bo, so kamuka uvelephe emnyango. Uphethe ibhodi, guys, ebhale phansi ngoSamke. She comes in, she's like, phansi ngoSamke, phansi. Ngithi phansi ngoSamke, phansi. She comes in, she's like, yeyi wena mfazi ndini. Kuyokusiza ukuthi uphume uphele kule ndawo if you know what's good for you. She looks at those two customers. She's like, nina nobabili, nifike endaweni erongo. Lo mfazi ophethe le ndawo ukhohlakele. Futhi-ke, if you don't want to fall a victim to her evil ways, nizohamba la njengamanje. Phansi ngoSamke, phansi. uSamke, guys, you can see ukuthi She is so irritated by what Ovelep is doing. But uphele amandla, guys. Yo, guys, Anyway, they say when it rains, it pours, and I feel like that's what's happening for Usamke. Anyway, let's park it right there, guys. Tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Please do watch the ads as well, guys. That is just your appreciation for these videos that I do. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.